Hi, I'm Chris. Today I'll show you how Lightspeed Voice integrates with AMS360, a powerful agency management platform from Vertafore. Once you've completed the quick setup, installing our desktop app Orbit, and linking it to your AMS360 account, you'll be ready to take control of client communication in a smarter, more efficient way.
When a call comes in, you'll get an instant pop-up with the caller's details, and AMS360 will automatically open to the client's record. No more digging around or switching tabs. As soon as the call ends, all the key details are logged automatically under the notes for your client, including a direct link to the call recording. And if you're using our AI assistant Nova, you'll also see a quick sentiment analysis and a clear, concise summary of the conversation, so you can stay focused on what matters most. Even better, any text messages or emails you've exchanged with that contact are also stored in the same view, giving you a full history of your interactions without the hassle of searching through multiple platforms.
With Lightspeed Voice and AMS360 working together, staying organized and delivering top-tier client service has never been easier. Ready to see it in action or bring it to your team? Call 877-97-VOICE or email info@lightspeedvoice.com. Thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice, where we're more than just talk.